Futel. To make a call, press 1. For voicemail, press 2. For the directory, press 3. For the operator, press 0. For the mayor, press 1. To apologize, press 2. For the TriMet Transit Tracker, press 5. To access your Multnomah County Library account, press 6. For the Collector's Net inbound portal, press 7. For Lance E. Pant, press 8. For the mayor, press 1. To apologize, press 2. For the
You have reached the apology line. Our purpose is to provide a way for you to apologize for anything you feel bad about without jeopardizing your safety. Do not identify yourself. We will record your anonymous apology and post, tweet, and/or play your apology online. You have 3 minutes. If you would like more time, please call back and